I hope it will work fine. This is OBS software. I hope it will work fine. This is my first time using it. Okay, so everyone, uh, I am Amit Kumar Gupta. I am your TDS TA. I am also a diploma level student here. I was TDS TA last term too. So generally we generally cover everything week by week, but I think that it's good to teach you something about web scraping from the very basic. So just a little survey. I want to see how many of you know about HTML or completed MAD 1 project or MAD 1 course. Yeah, please raise your hand. Okay, out of 8 people, out of 25, 26, 9, 30, out of 30 there is 10 people, 12 people. So nearly 50%, let's say 80%. Okay, 12 people. Okay, so I think it's better if I start. Okay, you guys can remove your hands, that is stuff. Okay, so I think it's better that I start from the beginning. So first, little bit introduction about the web scraping. So let me demonstrate you something interesting. Jupyter, this is Jupyter notebook. I am gonna use Jupyter notebook. This is a offline version of Google Colab. If you guys don't know about Google Colab, you just search about it. This is really interesting thing. And as you work in field of like in industry, and then a single person doesn't work on a code, you need to share your codes. So at that time Google Colab will be very helpful. Okay, is my screen visible? This list, anyone can open your mic and tell me please.
Yes.
Yes, very nice. So first I want to show you what is web scraping and how it's work. So let's say demo, basic demo here. So just see, this is Jupyter notebook. It's work on Python, very much like any other like VS code, something like that IED. This is a link. This is a link of Wikipedia. Let's see. This is the link of Wikipedia. This is the actor Kevin Bacon, and as you can see in the Wikipedia, every page contains lots of links. Let's say if I am clicking here, it is open some different link. Okay, so my question is, can we make a list of all the links? Of course I can do it. I can just read it. Okay, this is blue leading man. I can write it on the copy leading man. I can click on the character role. I can write it on the copy character role. I can click. But what do you guys think? Will it take time? If time, then how much time? Anyone can just give me some estimate. And how many links are there actually? Any estimate? This is a quite not a very long page, but roughly I can see there must be 200 something links. And if I am gonna spend 1 minute to copy down a single link, then it will roughly take me 3 hours. Let's say I am a very fast writer, then at least 1 hour. Okay, no less than 1 hour. Okay, let's see what this script which I just wrote before start of this session can do. Okay, so let's try it. This is my folder. Here I save 2 or 3 script which I want to show you. Okay, see, this is the folder. Okay, so I want to show you something interesting. Here I am going to run this cell, all running all. Okay, running all. You can see this star means this cell is working behind the scenes. Now it is 1, which means this cell done working. You can see there are some output here, and if you wanna check, first output is about Wikipedia protection, second is Kevin Bacon, there is something Philadelphia. So you can see Kevin Bacon is here, some Philadelphia must be also here, somewhere here. I mean, it exists, maybe here. Yeah, here Kevin Bacon, Philadelphia, filmography. You can see my script is working quite fine. It bring out lot of links here. See, this is very fast. It happened within seconds. Okay, and I also write this command. So whatever is here, it converted into CSV file. So let's see. Now you guys can see this wiki link was not here earlier. Agree? Anyone can agree with me or disagree with me? This is just happened now. 8:16. It is 8:17. Let me open it. Let's see what's here. Simple CSV file. You can open it in the Google Sheet or in Excel. So here it is. Wow. All the links are here. All the links are here. I can count the number of link, and it is more than 200 actually. It is nearly, oh my god, it is nearly 500. So you guys can estimate. Okay, if I start doing it manually, it will take nearly lot of hours. But with the help of script, I just did it within few seconds. This is the magic of web scraping. That's what I'm gonna do, and this is the interesting part. This is basic very basic level of web scraping. Just few within 12 or 15 line of code, and boom. Okay, let me show you a little bit different. This one, I am closing this link. If anyone have any question, you guys can ask. Okay, here, this is a website which generally we use to practice web scraping. Let's take a look on it here. Okay, country of the world, simple exercise. Okay, there are nearly 250 countries in the world, and all have country's name, country's capital, population, area, this stuff. So let's see what I can do here. This is automated country name. Why automated? You guys are gonna see it within few seconds. Here I am clicking run all. Just pay attention. Pay attention here in the bar. Something gonna happen. There is a Chrome browser. There is a Chrome browser which is automatically here. Okay. There is a Chrome browser, and I am not clicking anything. Okay. I am not clicking anything. Something happened here. Something happened here, and Chrome browser is just stopped working. Okay. So what now? Open my folder, and you can see country Selenium. This file is created here. 819. This is 819 time. Let me check it. It is some quite a nice file. You have country name, you have country population, you have country's capital, and whole stuff is within very nice, neat and clean in the Excel sheet. Now you can manipulate Excel sheet, you can work on it. You guys know how to use Excel sheet. Okay, this is the beauty of the web scraping. And the interesting part, I don't even need to open my browser. This script did all the deal. I just need to run it. I just need to write the code, run it. Let's see what is the applications. Okay, anyone want to open your mic and just tell me what is the potential application of this stuff which I just did? Please, anyone. Come on, bro. कोई भी.
What is that you
Defining
asked?
chat GPT.
Wait, Ritik. Let talk Radha Rukmani first.
No, what is that you asked, sir?
I just
Uh,
I just show you something interesting. I just show you how to. I just automate
yeah,
a whole
yeah.
process.
How to do the web scraping? You showed us.
Yeah, but the interesting part, I just show here this thing that I am not open any browser. Let's focus again. I am gonna delete this thing. Okay, it is gone. Okay, see, there is no file named country or something. I am gonna run this cell, run this script, and just pay attention this part here. Here you will see one Chrome browser just pop up, some work happened, and it just closed. I am gonna just click here, run all. Pay attention now. Scripts are running here. One browser open itself.
Yeah,
Okay, this is the same website which was there, country of the world. Something happened in the background, and work done. I can see the list, and here see the browser is gone. What happened meanwhile? My script itself open the browser, go to the website, scrap the valuable data which I want, convert it into Excel sheet, and I can use this Excel sheet now. Okay, so anyone want to share any thought? What are the potential uses? What is the, why this stuff is significant? Why this stuff is important? Anyone?
Sir, for price modeling, we could use that like in Amazon or any other shopping. We can
Yeah,
alert that when price
yeah, yeah,
it can increase.
yeah,
Weather forecasting, sir.
yeah. Nice.
Weather report are usually submitted, and we can get means we could be get alerted by automated
Yeah,
Python script.
yeah. And let me share you one a few examples like the Ritik mentioned that a weather forecasting. Suppose I wanna at the I am working on a research project. Like we are data science students, so of course we are gonna do some research project there. So let's say our research project is to check the weather of the place. Like say I am in Chennai, IIT Madras. So let's say check the weather of IIT Madras at 3:40 every day at the noon, or maybe at the night. So I don't want to wake up at the night at 3:40 a.m. and want to check the weather website. Okay, but I want the precious time, and I want the precious data at the specific time. So what should I do? Of course, I can make this script. I can just run it, and there is a subject you are going to study which is called system command, SC. In SC, you will learn how to make these stuff automated. Let's say this is a script, which I saved in my desktop. Okay, you can see these are the scripts, Python files. With the help of system command, I can even automate the time of execution of the script. I need to write a script in the system command in the bash. If you guys don't know what is the bash stuff, this is the bash stuff command line, cmd. Okay, this is command prompt. This is very powerful thing. With the help of command prompt, you can directly talk to the hardware of your system. Okay, so you can just write a script. Let's say script is execute weather report at, you can give the time at 8:30, at 3:30, and at the specific time this whole script gonna execute. And when you will wake up in the morning, when you are in the classroom or whenever you want in your working area, you can check that CSV file. So this is a whole automation. This is really interesting thing. Okay, now since someone mentioned about the shopping market price, so let me show you something interesting once more. Okay, maybe I am taking a lot of time, but I hope stuff is not boring, huh? Okay, let me show you this thing. These are the scripts which I just wrote just to show you, just to demonstrate something to you. Here, once again, pay attention here. No browser open, I mean no Chrome open. Run all. I hope it will work. Yeah, there is something open here. Oh shit, it is asking for captcha. Let me run it again. Cell and run all. Sometimes it asks for captcha. Whenever it asks for captcha, then it causes problem. Okay. Cell run again. Yes, it is working. It automatically wrote a smartphone under 20,000. It is opening the page. Okay, page by page. You can see. Let me full screen it. Okay, see, it is pages are. If you focus here at this part, you can see. Okay, anyone saw there are 4 or 5 page. It is just going. This is now 5th page. It is just going forward and forward. I just automated all this stuff. See. Okay, I think work is happening somewhere behind. When the work is done, this browser will close itself. My mouse cursor is here. I am not touching anything. Okay, is it done? I think it's done, but I didn't mention the close command. Okay, let it be. Is it done? Let me check. Yes, all the columns are, all the cells are executed, and here mobile CSV, which is just created 8:24, 8:25 the time. And what happened? Just what happened? The thing is, I just first check it. This is mobile, and this is its whole detail. Okay, I just make a report, and it just scraped 107 or 106 mobile phones for me within few minutes. Let's say few minutes. So what I did, I wrote this script. I asked this script to just pay attention here, please. I just asked this script to go to the Amazon page. Okay, some technical details. Then I asked this script to check the smartphone under 20,000. I can change it. I can make it 10,000, 50,000, whatever I want. Then I ask I in the range 5. So I ask specifically for 5 pages. Okay, and after 5 pages, I ask it to, as you can see, page number 1, page number 2, page number 3. It goes step by step. Then I ask to give me the product detail, and as you can see, this is the product detail of each mobile phone. And then I ask it to whatever the data which is fetched, to convert it into a table. You can see this is a table, and then I ask it to send all the data to CSV in the CSV format in my local drive. And you can see this is the data from my Amazon. So I just, within a few seconds, I just scrape the whole Amazon website, not the whole, but at least 5 pages, which is quite a tedious task if I am going to do it manually. Okay, so this is enough demonstration from my side. Now I want your thoughts. Any one of you want to say anything about it? Anyone?
So this is something like macros in Excel, is it? Wherein some things can be programmed, and once you run the macro, it happens at the back end and throws you the results.
Yeah, there are there are things, there are everything. Okay, uh, there are things in the Excel, and also whatever I did in the Python, whatever I show you, you can also do it in the Excel. But I don't know if Excel is this much automated or not. But yeah, if
Mm.
suppose the scraping a web page which is in front of your eyes, you
Yeah,
can,
yeah, yeah.
yeah.
I know, I understood, but I'm saying ki the macros which we
Mhm.
use in Excel, uh, which also does something similar, like of course not the web scraping, but it also automatically does something with the cells around and all. So
Yeah,
that's what I asked.
yeah,
Something
there,
to relate with macros.
yeah, there are some macros this type, though I don't know which one specifically, but yeah, there are some
Okay.
stuff there. Okay. Okay, Ritik, I'm not gonna share this collab file. You need to write it. Okay. Carlton, maybe we have to come up with an ML application that bypass the caps. Of course, I will work on it, and I also find something which is related to hacking, with the help of this whole system. Maybe someday, if we both of us get time, then we will share it. Okay, so guys, this is the stuff now. Now I wanna start from the scratch. So the thing is, some very important thing, I want your attention. Let's say there is one website. Let's go to back to Kevin Bacon. Kevin Bacon wiki. Okay, let's discuss about it. If I want the information from this website, then first I need to understand how a website works. Okay, let's say I want to information all about, once again, link, or say images. Let's talk about images. There are one, two, three. There are few images. Okay, and four. So let's say I want to work on the images. So first I need to understand how the website, how the system work. So let's see. This is a thing which is called inspect element. On clicking here, I can see how the website looks when we code it. This is a website in the visual form. That's not how a coder, how a programmer create a website. Okay, a programmer, a creator, create website in this form, in this uh, ugly looking coding form. Okay, this is HTML code. You can see HTML, HTML. This is HTML code, and when I point on the specific part of HTML, just pay attention here. Open some links, and I'm pointing here, navigation. And when I point navigation here, you can see there is some tag, some information, some notification bar at this place. Please pay attention. Here I am bringing my cursor here, and you can see. Okay, so every part, every line of this HTML code indicate towards some written material here. So let's say this is body, this is footer. Footer, okay, footer is quite below, so let me find some here, something container, and inside the main container. Okay, if I'm gonna click here, vector page toolbar, so you can see it is indicating this blue area here. Okay, so that's how, this is the first step. You need to understand how a website work. Okay, so since majority of you, 18 out of 30, don't know anything about the HTML, so let me first start from the scratch. Okay, so we will write the code by Ritik, please, just go with the flow. Okay, okay everyone, so first let's write a HTML code. Now I suggest you everyone, please open your, you guys are already on laptop. If you are on mobile phone, then please come on the laptop and open a notepad here. NOTE, notepad. Nearly every computer, every system has notepad. Okay, just open a notepad. Tell me if anyone have problem in opening notepad, or anyone is not able to do it. Please do it. 1 minute of time. Please open your notepad. Okay, now I am going to discuss about the structure of HTML. Okay, so if anyone think that that person is proficient in HTML and website building, then uh, you guys can leave. But if you want to learn HTML stuff, then okay, please stay with me. This is notepad. You can type anything here. My name is Amit. I can type it here. Okay, so very first step of HTML, to creating web page, I need to define that I am working on the HTML. So just write HTML here. Okay, these things which I work, which I am making, these angular triangle, these bracket, angular bracket, something written inside this angular bracket is called tag. What is it called? It's called tag. Okay, tags. HTML works by tag. You need to define everything by tag. If you are gonna open one tag, you need to close it also. Okay, HTML. Okay, you need to close a tag. Okay, so you can write anything in the HTML. So this is my HTML. Okay, this is very much like this, where is the Kevin Bacon wiki? If you can see, this is very much like this. So this is a very advanced website. We are working on the very simple thing, but you can see in HTML website there are tags. This is a division tag, this is a header tag, this is a division tag. You can see this is division tag started and this is closed. You need to close every tag, not every tag but mostly. It is a good practice to close a tag. Okay, so HTML. Now I am gonna write something inside HTML. I hope my screen is visible, huh? Is my notepad is visible? Anyone can
Yeah,
suggest?
visible.
Yes, sir.
Nice,
Yes, sir.
nice, nice. Okay, are you guys working? Are you guys coding with me? This is important, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Okay.
please do it. If you
Yes, sir.
Nice. If you guys have any doubt, you can just ask me. Okay. But after speaking, just close your mic. It's quite disturbance here. Okay. So this is HTML. HTML is tag. You need to give the name tag HTML. Is this recorded? Vishwas, I put it on the recording, though I don't know if it is recording or not. I hope it is recording. I don't know. Yeah, 21 minutes. I think it is recording. Okay. So now second thing, let's type something. Let's write something. P for paragraph. I want to write a paragraph. Let me close the paragraph first. I want to write a paragraph, and my paragraph is, hello, I am Amit. I am TDS TA. I am here at IIT Madras. Okay, and now I am gonna save it. Shortcut of saving is Control S. So you can click Control S, or you can go to the file and you can save it. When it asks about the saving, choose a folder. This is, let's say this is a folder for now. Save it and you can rename it. Let me rename it demo HTML. It is a good practice to give this underscore in the place of space. Okay, I am gonna save it, and not as a text format. No, I need to save it in the HTML format. This is really important. HTML format. Okay, all files HTML format. So I am just gonna save it in the HTML format. Okay, demo HTML.html. Let's see it here. Now you can see demo HTML.html. We just created it here. Now I am gonna double click on it, and it will open in the Opera browser. And as you can see, this is my first very basic website in the HTML format. You can see, hello, I am Amit, I am a TDSTA, I am here at IIT Madras. This is exactly what I wrote here. Okay, so this is a very basic, very fundamental HTML website. So I am giving you guys a whole full chance. Just create a website and tell me if it is done or not. Just few steps, 5 minutes of time. Please do it. And tell me if it is done.
Yes, sir. The
Okay.
same thing what you did, I have also done it here.
Nice, nice, Radha. And anyone else, please? Done, Mudgal, Purva, nice, very nice. We have lot of people, man. Okay, Jadmejoy, Pranjali, Abhishek, Akash, Manish, Kavya, very nice. Okay, so I think majority of you people do
Sir,
it. Mhm.
so we should save it as HTML, right?
What? Yeah. You need to save it as .html. When you are gonna click here, file save, then you need to save it as HTML. Okay. Don't save it as a txt file. And if by chance you mistakenly save it as a txt file, then you can always click here, rename it, and rename it as HTML. Okay. So this is the first thing. Okay, and now just let me give you some very friendly tip as a student. You cannot remember everything related to technology. You cannot just remember all the commands. You cannot remember all the tags. So always remember to refer to a good source. So HTML, there is a one source called MDN. This is from Mozilla Firefox. You can see this is a quite good page, very authentic page for HTML stuff or anything. But this is for not for beginners. So I generally refer W3CSCH school for HTML. This is a good page. W3 school, not C. W3 school for HTML. Here you can see there are a lot of HTML stuff. Okay, which is easy and which is really good for you. Okay, you guys can just check it. You guys can work on it. So by standard, this is how we should write HTML format. But since I am teaching you very basic, so let's go with the basic. Okay, now let me modify this thing. In HTML we also need to define some head. What is head? Let me show you something. Can you see here demo underscore html dot html? I want to change it. So how can I change it? I want to change it head. Don't forget to close it. You need to close each of your tag and just type something here. You can write, I want to write it here, Amit TDS. Okay, Control S, save it. Save by Control S. Shortcut keys are always helpful. And I'm going to refresh it. Just pay attention here. I'm going to refresh it. It is in head. Okay, then I need to do it in the meta thing, I think. HTML. Okay, it's title, not only head but title also. Inside head I need to create another tag which called title. Okay, I need to close it, title, title, and I need to save it. Now let me refresh. See, now I have a title at the tab, Amit underscore TDS. So that's how step by step you can learn a lot of things. Okay, and it is a good practice to have a body, and inside body I can put whatever I want. First we have head area, then we have body, and inside body I can let me close it. Okay, this is body, and inside body I want to give a heading. So for heading we use h1, h for heading, one very big heading. Okay, I want to just write intro, 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 and let me close this heading stuff, h1, and I am going to press Ctrl S, which is for save, and refresh it, and you can see quite a nice big intro heading is here. Are you guys able to get everything whatever I am saying? If you guys have any doubt, just open your mic and stop me. Okay, okay, is it clear? This is heading tag h1. Okay, are you guys following?
Yes,
Yes, nice.
everything's okay.
Nice. So okay, so what else can we do here? We can also use heading stuff. We can also let's see what else. We can also use image. We can also add link, है ना? So as you can see, this website is good, W3 school, and you can see head, title, H1 heading, P paragraph. What else? BR for break. The thing is, as you can see, HTML doesn't follow this is enter. See here, I gave the enter. Okay, I want to make a new line, but it is not working here. So what can I do? I can just give this tag BR. BR means breaking rule. I need to break here. Save and refresh. See, now the line is breaked. Okay, so that's the technique. What else is there? Okay, everything is fine. Some other element, I know some element like anchor. I know some element like okay, there are 6 type of headings. Six type of heading. Let me show you very fast. H1. Okay, let me copy paste it. 6 times. H1, H2, enter, H3. As we are increasing the number, the size of the heading is decreasing. This is quite counterintuitive, but just understanding H1 is the most important heading. Let me just jump on the 6. H4, H5, H6 are the least important heading. And what if I am gonna write H7? Let's write H7. There is no such thing as H7, but let's try it for the education sake. Save and refresh. You can see things are getting smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. I skip 5, and this is H1. 7. As you can see, S7 is similar as the simple paragraph. So there are only 6 type of headings. Okay, no such thing as S7. These are the headings here. What else? Just do it with me. Just try your hand on this stuff. Just become familiar. Okay, because this is really useful. Yeah. Okay.
Sir, the title will not show on the web page.
Which thing?
Title.
Title is
Amit
here.
PDS.
Title is here. This is not the part of web page. This is the part of that address, that tab, Amit TDS. Okay. If I'm gonna change this, what's your name?
Manish.
Manish. Okay, Manish. See, now I'm gonna save it, and you can see it here on the top. Manish. Fine.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Are you guys following this title stuff, this heading stuff? Important thing. Are you guys able to understand what is the tag and how important is the tag? Your whole HTML,
Yeah.
your whole HTML structure is depend on the tags. If you understand the tags today, this is more than enough for me. Okay. So this is the tag. And let's say HTML is not HTML unless you have some links there. So I wanna add some link here. For link we use a tag, which is also known as anchor tag. So a. So what is a tag? A means anchor, where we connect some another page with this page. Then we use a anchor tag. But we cannot use anchor tag as it is. We need to give some reference. Let's say I want to use a tag. Let's open a tag and close a tag. And I want to check the website of this actor, Kevin Bacon. Copy, and I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, here I'm gonna paste it here. Now save. Do you think it will gonna work? It is not. Okay, link is here, very nice. But if I'm clicking it, I'm not able to click it, man. But you know that in the HTML page links work. See, links work, but it is not working here. So the thing is, there is some special cause I need to add here. Just pay attention. I need to give a class. This is my tag. Inside a tag I need to give an attribute. That attribute is href, reference. Okay, and inside reference I need to copy paste this tag which I just copied inside let me inside these double quotes, and then I can write any text here. Link to Kevin's wiki page. Okay, let me save. Control S, saved. Minimize and let me refresh it. Now it is something else. It looks like some link. If I am gonna click it, let's see. Yeah, it is working, man. Now I am on the Kevin Bacon page. I can go back, and I will be I am back on my web page. So this is the trick. So anchor tag, you need to use this tag, but this tag is not sufficient. You need to add some attribute here. Okay, this is attribute. What is attribute? Something which we need to use with tag. This is attribute, and this is just a text which is good for readers reading. Like I can write here cat, simple cat. Okay, save it. Now you can see this is quite misleading. Someone gonna think, okay, this is a cat page, but when you open it, oh, this is some Hollywood actor page. So this is this part here. This text is for reading your user. So always keep it proper. Okay, Kevin's page. Guys, please do it with me. And if you have any problem, just tell me. No need to use Kevin Bacon page. You can use any other page, any page you want. Okay, just tell me if you are able to work it. You are able to open the new page. Okay, 2 minutes of time. Just do it. Anyone have any doubt? You can ask. You can type also here. I am reading. Yeah, Jahana Parveen. I put it on the recording, though I don't know if it is recording or not.
Okay.
Yeah,
I have
so
joined a bit late, so have I missed anything related to web scraping, or just we are discussing HTML?
you just miss a web scraping demonstration, but it's fine. I will discuss
Okay.
it in the next class also. For now, we are just talking about HTML structure.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Oh, okay. Anyone else wanna ask?
What is today's agenda? Means how much we'll cover in today's class?
Today, I wanna explain all the HTML stuff because lot of new people here. So yeah, today I am gonna just cover HTML stuff, HTML code writing, HTML website, and how to read HTML, and little bit about some website. I mean traffic, network, API, this stuff. Yeah, MR Radha Rukmani, please ask. You guys can just open your
So,
mic. Yeah.
so, So we will not cover today the Python work.
No, I cannot cover today the Python work because lot of people don't know
Where,
about HTML. I cannot rush things.
and where will be recording available?
I don't know about it. I will try to make it available, but I cannot guarantee.
Means in TGS YouTube channel it will be there or not?
Brother, I am just a TA and we don't have recording authority, but I am recording it in my local desktop, so I hope they will upload it. I will ask them. Okay. Yeah, please ask man. No need to raise your hand. You can speak.
Sir, initially you said that initially you wrote the P tag and there was no body tag.
Mm-hmm.
So, but it was still working. So we
Yeah.
can with like body tag, what's the use of it? Like, is it important?
Yeah, it is important. Okay, let me tell you. HTML is a very forgiving language. Even if I am gonna remove this head tag and this head tag, this title will be enough. If I am gonna remove this body tag, this p tag, even if I am remove this p tag, no, it will still show. See, I am removing this p tag. I am saving it, and see, it is still working. See, everything is still here, though little bit look absurd looking, but still it is here. HTML is a very forgiving language, but it is a good practice to use everything properly, because you are not the only person who is going to read your tag, read your code. Someone, if you are going to work in some industry, some in company, then other people also going to work on your code. So it's a good practice to use all tag properly. But yes, you can,
Okay.
if you are going to skip some tag like the p tag, which is not that useful, then yeah, it is still fine. But you cannot do certain thing without using certain tag. Like you cannot create a link here like I just did without using a tag. You cannot create this big heading here without using h1 tag. Okay.
Okay, sir, is there any other function of that anchor tag? Like, is it only used to like add a link, or is there anything else to it?
No.
Like we have used like href class with
Mhm.
a, that means a and href is like they are coming together. That means like they are always used together, or it has like a other has other functions too.
No, they are always used together. There is no other function of a. As far as I know, there is no other function of a.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Okay. So uh, other people, yeah. Radha Rukmani, please ask.
No, actually, I was asking this BR tag without the break, without the closing tag also it was working.
Ha.
So,
There.
for BR tag, for the break tag,
Mhm.
should we have a closing tag? Is it compulsory or
No.
not required?
No, there are some tags which work without closing. Let's say, let me show
Oh,
you one thing,
okay,
which is HR. HR means horizontal ruler. So let's check
okay.
what it do. It just give a line here. See this line. This is horizontal ruler. I haven't closed it. So sometimes some tags which are just stand-alone tag, there is no need to close it. Okay. See, like h1 tag, I write something inside h1. If I am not gonna close h1, no, it will.
Mm,
So how I so how can I say the this file that now stop, now don't use h1,
mm,
है ना? See,
yeah,
I'm gonna run it. Okay, and it is just not working. I mean, it is just something. It is not working. I mean, it is just as it is, whatever the previous state. So some
yeah.
tag you need to close. It is a good practice to close a tag. It is a convention to close a tag. But sometimes
Okay.
some tags which just stand alone tag like hr, like br, there is no
Mm,
need to close it. Okay.
okay, fine. Thank
Yeah. Okay. So Manyam Mohan, please ask.
Yeah, so can we visit the questions what it is already been asked in graded assignments and in the exam?
No, I am not gonna do it today. I will do it after this whole series. Okay. Maybe after
No,
4 or 5 years.
it's only related to the HTML. We are not going to discuss all the things.
Okay. After.
Only the HTML related things can we really look in?
Yeah, we will look at first. Let me complete the whole thing. I hope that you guys will learn enough HTML to solve that thing yourself. Otherwise, I will be always happy to do it. Okay.
Oh, you mean to say it is too early to see that one, no?
Yeah, that's what. Let me teach first, है ना? Let me explain all the structure. Then I hope that you guys can do it everything by yourself. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Now just I want to show you one more thing. Actually, there are a lot of attributes which you can include, but most important is this anchor tag. Now let me show you this thing. this image stuff. Okay, let me just discuss this image stuff. After it I will leave this HTML part and we will just discuss everything thoroughly, but let me just discuss this image stuff. So for image, let's download an image first. Okay, give me some suggestion which type of image you want to see. Okay, Emma Watson, one of my favorite actors, so I just want to download her image. This one, let's say from Wikipedia. Save image as, I need to specify the folder. Okay, the thing is, if you are downloading some image, if you are putting wants to upload some image in your HTML folder, then keep that image in the same folder at your HTML content. See, the I mean, I am working on this demo HTML stuff, so I put Emma Watson image here. Let me rename it. Emma only. Emma. Okay, short name is better. I will show you why. Okay, so let me add this. Let me add an image here. First HR ruler, because it's good to separate Kevin Bacon website and Emma's image. So for the image, img image tag, as we give the reference here, h reference, which is redirecting towards this address, I need to give source src. Okay, so what is my src source? What is my source here? See, this is my demo file, demo html. Okay, this is my demo file, and in the same file, demo html, I have Emma. So I just need to write emma.jpeg. Okay, I need to write it inside this inverted comma, emma.jpg, which is the exact same name which I just have here. Okay, now I can close it. Okay, this image folder is done. No need to close it. As you can see, this is also a standalone folder. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, save and refresh. You can see it fetch Emma Watson's image. Okay, nice, but this image is looking very big here. So what I can do, I can decide the height and width. Okay, so for the height and width, let's use our reference guide, width and height. Okay, let me copy paste it. I mean, it's fine now, I am copy pasting, no problem. Okay, refresh it and you can see this is now passport size, proper size. You can see whatever you want. I mean, you can change the size, you can change the shape. Let me play some trick. 500. It's gonna look awkward, but okay. See, done. I just ruined Emma's face. 142. It's better. Yep. Okay, so this is enough from my side. I just told you how to check HTML structure, how to create a small website. Now I will jump on the structure directly. We will discuss some real websites, but first tell me if you guys are able to complete it or not. Everyone, please, whoever completed, please raise your hand or something. Just raise your hand now so I can count. Pranjali, nice.
Sir, what was that HR tag for?
HR for the horizontal ruler. This line, you can see this line. This line was not here. Let me show you. If I'm going to remove this line between Emma Watson's image and Kevin Bacon's link, then you can see it's gone.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Please don't call me sir. I'm a student like you. Amit is fine. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Akash, Purva, Pranjali. Only 3 people. Come on, man. Okay. Radha Rukmani, nice.
VR means electrical ruler or not?
Okay. I don't know what he's saying. Subramaniam Mohan, you wanna ask or discuss something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
HR is a horizontal ruler and VR is that, and if it is that
Breaking ruler.
vertical ruler.
HR is horizontal ruler. Yeah. And
VR is that
breaking. See.
vertical ruler.
No. Breaking. See. Hello, I am Amit. I am a TDS TA. Look at these 2 lines. If I am gonna remove BR, if I am gonna remove this breaking part here, save. See, everything is same. 1 space is here, but it's just not work for HTML. See, so for HTML, if you wanna add a new line, you need to add this BR, break. Okay. So it just break. See, it's a break. Okay. So
Okay.
okay. So how many people? Six people, only six people. Come on, man. Out of 25, there are only six people. Come on, guys. Ask me. If you're not able to do it, then ask me. Okay, seventh. Who is the seventh? Abhishek
Sir,
Pandey.
please show that notepad.
Okay, here is a notepad. Here is a notepad. And please don't call me sir. I am Amit. I haven't even completed my graduation degree, man. So just call me Amit. There are more people. 9 people. Come on, man. At least I need at least 20. Please. Otherwise, what's the point of doing this everything from the scratch, huh? And guys,
No, already we are 25.
yeah, you guys are 25, but there are only 9 hand which are raised. है ना? So if you are guys doing something, then show me the hands now. Okay, 10. One more guy. A girl. I don't know. Arey, just keep your hand raised so I can count. Just keep your hand raised. I want at least 20 people here. And the thing is not just copy paste this stuff. Just understand the stuff. You need to give HTML. Okay. You need to give a head. Inside head you need to give a title. You can see this title here. This Manish TDS. Inside it you can give headings. How to give heading. Inside it you need to give content. How to give content. Okay. What is the purpose of BR? What is the purpose of HR? How to read a tag. You can see all these stuff in the angular bracket is tag. How to read the this attribute, what these attribute mean. Like I just add some attribute here. As you can see, Emma Watson image was still fine without adding those two attribute, but with the help of these attribute I can make it look better. Okay, so this is the structure, this is the understanding. You need to just no need to write, I mean write, but writing is not enough. You need to understand, because we are gonna break down lot of things now. Okay, show me, please show me hands here. At least I need 20%. Guys, please just work with me. Okay, if you guys have any doubt, please ask.
Is there a way to comment like in Python?
Yeah, there is a method to comment. Let me try. In HTML you need to use this stuff to comment. Let me comment. I hope it's work. I hope I'm not wrong. Let me comment Manish TDS, and okay, I made some mistake. Let me comment. Maybe it's here and okay. Let me check how to comment. Okay, HTML comment. And oh, okay. I need to write these two hyphens, not hyphen. Yeah, hyphen. I need to write these two hyphens here. Okay. See, this is what happens when you don't work properly. Okay. There are some convention, you need to follow the convention. Let me refresh. Okay, now it is working, but you cannot see this. Let me comment this stuff. So yeah, this is how you comment in HTML. Okay. Okay, how many people? Still 11 hands. Okay, it is already 9. Okay, 5 more minutes. Just guys complete this HTML file in 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start taking names. Subramaniam, are you able to do it? Is it done? Subramaniam, Shelly.
Yeah, partially I have done it. I completed.
Okay. Complete. 5 minutes complete. What about you, Shelly Porval? Subramaniam, you can close your mic, bro.
Yep.
Yeah. What about Shelly and Shahala? What about you? I think no. These guys are not even active. You guys can reply here. Okay. What about the Rohit Prajapat? Rini? Okay. Ruff. Purva?
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's fine. It's Amit. Okay, you done. Nice. What is Prem? Prashant? Okay, no response. Pranjali? Penumali? Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you working on this HTML? Is it done?
No, sir, I have just logged in. So I was in the other session of
Oh,
MLF.
okay,
So
okay. So,
now I joined.
are you familiar with HTML stuff? And please don't call me sir, I'm Amit. Are you familiar with
Yeah.
HTML, this stuff?
HTML, I have learned it a very long time back, sir, nearly 10, 15 years back.
Oh,
I
okay.
just
So you are quite pro in it. Okay, nice, nice, nice to have.
not pro, sir. I haven't used it anytime. I just learned it long time back.
Okay. Okay, so I'm just teaching nothing but HTML basic stuff here. Can you understand this code which I am showing on the screen? It is very basic.
I'm seeing.
And please don't call me sir, since you study this HTML stuff 10 or 12 years ago, then you are very much, I mean, no need to call me sir. Okay, so you can understand this stuff. This is just simple introduction of tag.
Yeah, yeah. I can understand that.
Okay, Navya, table and attribute. Okay, fine. This is a good question. I will discuss table. What about the other people? Navya, nice. Manish, Madgula,
Yes,
Yeah, done.
done. Very nice,
done.
very nice. Uh, Rukmani, Laksh, Kavya, are you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Yes, sir, done.
Nice. Arey, no need to call me sir. It's fine. It's fine.
Okay.
Okay.
I have one question. Can I ask?
Yes, of course. Please ask.
Just like we have a header here, do we
Mhm.
have a footer too?
Yeah, you can add a footer. You can add a footer here. Just below the body, you can add a footer.
Okay, so footer is supposed to be below the body. Like
Yeah.
it's necessary to write footer below the body only.
Yes, because this is actually you can write it above the body also, but still, uh,
Okay, okay. It's for the understanding.
yeah. I mean, like I'm repeatedly saying, your code is not only for your. This is footer. As you can see, footer itself convert your stuff in a very small. I mean, not very small. I think these are the
Okay,
same.
but it has
Okay.
like come immediately below the image. Like, shouldn't
Yeah.
it be a little, I mean, uh, what
We
to
can
say?
use, I think, break function.
You need to use break function. Like I just add two break function. I mean, it should or should not is a different thing, but your code, your computer only follow whatever you command. Your computer doesn't have the brain, so this is footer, है ना? Okay,
Okay,
so
okay.
let me take the name again. How many are there? Okay, Janmajoy was working, I know. Janmajoy, Ayushi.
Done.
Okay, nice man. Just call me Amit, bro. Call me Amit. Ayushi, Anoop, Akash. What about you guys?
Done.
Nice,
Done.
nice, nice. Okay, so I think very much everyone is Ananta, Priya, Abhishek, Akash. Akash is done. Ananta and Abhishek.
Yes,
Nice,
sir, done, sir.
nice, nice, nice. Now I am feeling a little bit excited because you guys are supporting now, huh? Okay. So someone wanna ask about the table. So let's discuss table. Okay. So the thing is, first just let's go to the attribute. We discuss about the paragraph. This is the style. In HTML, you can just put some style here. So leave it. This is not important. Someone is talking about the comments. We just discuss about the comment. है ना? This is how you can write the comment. Links. We already discussed about link with the help of anchor tag A, and images. We discuss image title. I already show you some title. Manish TDS is my title. Tables. Let's talk about the table. Table is really important. Okay, so let's. So in the case for table now, the thing is, see,
एक बार इसका बटन देख
okay, so let's talk about table here. Uh, if someone is talking there privately, then please switch off your mic. It is table or table. Let me check. Table. Okay. See table, and as I am saying repeatedly, you need to close a tag. Table. There are some advanced editor like the VS Code editor, which automatically close the tag. Okay. So in the table, uh, what are the, if we look in the table, what are there? We make a table row by row. We first create this row: company, contact, country. So the thing is, I need to create row inside the table. Table tr means table row. Close it. Tr. I want 3 rows in my table, so copy it 3 times. Tr. Okay. Save it and let's see how my table is looking. Let me refresh it. Okay, since there is no attribute in table, so it is just empty. Okay, so this is tr, my table, and inside I just assign 3 table row. Okay, and inside table row I need to assign table data. Okay, which is which is columns in my table. So let me assign some table data, td, my table data first, and td. I just open a table data and close it. Okay, let me do it, let me create 3 columns, so second or third. Okay, so let me do it again. Copy paste is a really good friend of any computer programmer, so guys, try to learn how to do copy paste within a code. See, now just discuss this structure, just focus on this part. Okay, table, inside a table I create a table row, I create another table row, then I create another table row. So now my table has 3 rows. Let's see, my table has 1, 2, 3 rows. Inside table row I add 3 table data, which means in the first row I create this data, second this data, third this data. So let me write something here. Let me write name. Okay, I make a mistake. This tag. Oh, I need to close the tag. Name, class, and subject. Okay. Now let me save it and let's see, is it working or not. I am pretty sure that it will work. See, this is my table, name, class, subject. Okay, ugly looking, but still there is something. Now I need to write some name. So there is some the name, the first name is, let's say we have Radha Rukmani here, so Radha, and the class of Radha is obviously diploma level, and he is studying TDS. Okay, and other person, who's the other any student here, let's say Akash, we have Akash. Okay, so let's say Akash, AKSH, Akash here. Akash is in foundation level, he just come here by any chance and he is not learning anything, nothing. Okay, so let's see, is it working or not. I need to save it and I need to refresh it, and you can see this is a table. Ugly looking, okay, ugly looking, but it's still a table. Okay, you can see name, you can see class, you can see subject. Is it fine? Are you guys able to understand this structure, this table structure?
Yes, sir. Yes, Amit.
Amit, nice. Okay, so this is a, I mean, I can change, I can add little bit attribute, but first I want you guys to familiar with this part. Okay, this table and how to create a rows inside table, how to create a data point inside table. Okay, one more thing, I can change. I want, someone is complaining, yeah Amit, you just create a table and I don't know which is the head and which is what. So I can just change TD to TH. What is the meaning of TH? TD means table data, TH means table head. So I am just creating is a table head or table header. So let's see the magic, not the magic, some mathematics, some proper code, some machine. Now it is little bit bolder. Is it nice? Clear? So guys, please just be familiar with this table part, try to make it by on your own. Tell me if there is some problem. Okay, try it. Is my voice clear? I am not going very fast or stuff. Any problem? If you guys facing any problem, just tell me. Navya, your hand is raised, so if you wanna ask, you can ask. Navya, Madgula, you can ask. You guys can type also. Okay, Madgula, you can ask. Okay, I think it's because you guys already completed table, huh? Nice.
I have a doubt.
Yeah, please ask.
Actually, I had also put this footer and all, footer tag and all.
Mm-hmm.
But in my my page, this table which I have created, it is coming below the footer.
Okay, so maybe you just put the footer before the table.
No, no. I have put the footer just before this closing HTML tag.
Okay, okay, then I don't.
How is it? How is it? And in fact, this table I put inside the body tag only.
Uh-huh.
Then how is it coming below the thing? I don't understand.
Just save your page again. Just save your notepad, like save as, and just refresh your page, because it is something very illogical. So it must be normal, or just close this window, close this browser, I mean this page, like I just close it and open it again like this, because that's something very bizarre. I don't know how to deal this stuff. It happens sometime. So
Oh, is it? Okay, one second.
so you guys understand?
Even now it is like that only.
Okay, because it is.
Maybe some because I'm just cross checking with your
Uh-huh.
code. Whatever you have typed, the order in which I have typed is the same. I don't know why it is showing like this.
Just check all the tags. Are they properly closed? Maybe some tag is not closed, which is causing the problem. Or you can insert something, like you can insert some BR here or HR here, so it will make things clear. Like if you insert a HR, then it just give a separation. So it is also a good practice to etch a BR or HR.
Okay.
Okay. So I hope everyone is able to do this table stuff. Anyone have any problem? Just raise your hand or open your mic. Otherwise, I am gonna move forward. I guess there is no problem, huh? Chalo.
So please show the notebook.
Notebook here. Just don't copy paste the notebook. Just try to understand what I am doing. Okay. You can just write your own code. If you have any problem, just please ask. Just understand how all these tags work, how all these tags, what is the purpose of these tags. Okay. Just no need to copy paste, just and also the table, just try to create your own table. I put 3 rows 3 columns. You guys can try to put 4 rows 4 column, 4 rows 5 column, 2 rows 3 columns. Just
I found it. Actually, I had not closed the table tag.
that's the problem. Okay. So
Now it is coming
yeah,
correctly.
someone was asking earlier, is it necessary to close the tag? So that's the application, guys. You need to close the tag. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, anyone is able to make some variation in the table? Anyone is able to create some, do we able to check error? No, Ananta, there is no such thing in checking error in the simple notepad. If you are using VS Code, then yeah, then you can use error, VS Code, some live text or any advanced ID. But for the simple notepad, there is no way to check the error. You need to do it manually. Okay, now I hope it is clear. Table tag and its attribute. Okay, I am just dealing with table tag. For the attribute, you can enable the border. Let me show you. border. It will work, I guess. Just writing the border will work. See, I just wrote the border here with the table. I just add this attribute table border, and it is showing some rough looking border, but okay, fine. Okay, so Nabbi, I hope your query is solved. Anantas too. Anyone else wanna give me some suggestion? How can I improve? I am also a student, so you guys can also give me suggestion or anything else. Other than it, there are table. There are some interesting thing about the table border. You know, you can just try to do it. Now you learned quite a stuff. Okay, just don't go very deep. Just try to understand this stuff. List, you can make some list with the help of UR and LR. No, UL and OL. UL means unordered list. OL means ordered list. Let me show it to you. Let's say I want to add a list below the table. HR, I want to create a little separation. Then UL, which is unordered list, I need to close it. Don't forget to close, otherwise you will face the same problem as Rukmani. And what is the UL? UL means untitled list. When you don't, unnumbered list or unordered list. When you don't give a number, you just make some bullet, then it is your UL, unordered list. Okay. Then inside it you need to write list item, LI. LI means list item, LI. So let me write some list item, some fruit name, APPLE apple. One more list item, let's say mango. Let me close it and save it and refresh it. Now you can see a bullet list. Okay, nice. I can create a list inside a list. This is the list LI. Now let me create a list inside the list. This time I am gonna do ordered list. Okay, OL. Don't forget to close it. OL, and inside it let me write list item. Inside mango I can make mango shake, mango shake. I don't know if spelling is right or wrong. Let it be li. And what can I make mango? I can make some mango candies. Okay, so candies candies li. Let me close it, save, and c. Now inside mango I have ordered list. You can see this is ordered 1 2 3 4 something. Is it clear? This list item. Okay, so there are a lot of attributes, lot of feature in HTML. HTML is a very simple language, and I hope it is not tough. You guys are working on it within 1 hour of study, so it is quite a simple language. What else is there? List is done. There are stuff, divisions is nothing. When we have lot of thing inside a bracket, then we just give it a division. See, we will discuss this later. Nothing. Division, class, id, these are nothing. Just try to divide this stuff within a stuff. If you have very big paragraph, then you need to segment it, that paragraph, then you use class, division, id. You can also fix some attribute, so we will discuss it later. Okay, so this is enough HTML from my side. You guys are feel free to explore these website, W3 School HTML, really nice website. Now just complete it, 3 minutes of time, and then we can discuss the next level. Anyone want to discuss anything? Then please speak. Anyone?
Can you just show me that OL part? This UL, then OL, that list part.
Okay.
The code.
UL is untitled list or unordered. Sorry, not untitled, unordered list, which gives some bullets like this Manish, and here Manish page, and these bullets because of UL, and this OL, which is ordered list, is gives you some ordered list. You can create a list inside a list. Just don't forget to close the tags. Closing the tag is really important stuff. Okay. Anyone else? Want to discuss anything? Give me suggestion or any other thing. 2 more minutes, guys. Then I will discuss something different. Okay. Other people, are you? Yes.
Hello, Amit.
Yes, please ask.
Whatever we are writing the code, we have to write in only in Notepad.
No. Which type of code editor you use?
Editor means for HTML, I'm not using anything like I'm just starting this.
Okay. The thing is, you need something to write. Okay. For HTML is one of the simplest language. This is one of the oldest too. So the thing is, you need something to write. Either you can use this simple notepad. I just use this notepad because it is ready-madely available. Generally I use this notepad plus. I like it, notepad plus, dark theme and stuff. But since you guys don't have this, so I just ask you to use notepad, this which is by default. But the best bet is VS Code. Why VS Code is best? Let me show you. This is VS Code. I hope my screen is visible. Is it visible? Purva Chaudhary, I think, huh? Is it?
Yeah, it is visible.
Okay, so let me show this. See, open a file. See, this is VS Code. This is quite advanced stuff and totally free of cost, open source. This is quite good. Okay, so see, how can I edit stuff here? This is my demo. Okay, let me create a new website here. Open. Okay, file name. Let me create a new file. Okay, leave it. Array. Okay, let me create a new file. VS Code .html. See, I'm going to work on it. VS Code.html. So the interesting part of the VS Code, I just it gives me lot of stuff automatically. Or see the interesting part, if I am gonna create a tag, let's say table tab, it is giving me suggestion and it is automatically closing it. See, so it is quite fast to work on the VS Code. And as you can see, it is giving me some indentation. So in the table, if I am writing here table row, okay, so it is closing the table row, and it is quite nice and clean. I can understand what is going where. See, inside the table row, if I am working on the table data th, so see, it is creating some kind of that indentation. So this is quite good. Okay, so generally I work on VS Code, but for the just teaching that, because I don't know if you guys have VS Code or not, so I am just showing the notepad. My purpose is to show that HTML is quite easy stuff. You can start with a very bare minimum specs. Okay, anyone else? Okay, it's okay. I'm done with HTML. So if you guys have any question, ask. Now I am gonna study about how to read websites which are available online and read their structure. Okay, anyone have any question? Last call. No. Okay, so HTML is done. You guys can work here, this copy and paste. You guys can work here, read this website, I insist.
What is this CSS cascade style sheets?
CSS,
Is it related to HTML?
yes, it is related to HTML. The thing is, as you can see, website which I made in the HTML is very plain looking. It is not this good looking website. So CSS is work for styling. If you want to add some style in your HTML, then you need to use CSS. Okay. So since CSS is only for style, HTML is very much like structure, skeleton, and so HTML is enough. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay. So now let's discuss some real stuff. See, you guys are gonna scrap some ready-made, some proper website. Let's say Wikipedia. Let's write something interesting name. Batman. My favorite hero, superhero, Batman. So let's study this thing. So first thing, if you wanna see the HTML, you can just inspect element. See, this half page, it's gonna show you elements. How these element now you can read. Okay, now you guys know about HTML. Now you can read. Can you read this thing, this HTML? Now you can see this HTML is here, starting point, and this is the end point. So everything is inside HTML. Okay, now you can also read this body thing. Okay, so you can read this body thing. You can see there is something called head inside this HTML. What is it? I am clicking on the head, and you can see head is Batman Wikipedia. Okay, now you can, now this very foreign type of a gypsy language is making sense now. Okay, now you can just check here. I wanna check about this poster, this image. So what can I do? Here is this small dot, this dotted shape. I am clicking on it, and after clicking on it, it is blue. Now I am bringing it on my image element. As soon as I bring on my image element, it is showing something here. See, it is showing something here. What it is showing? Image src. And yeah, we can read it now, we can understand it now. This is no longer a foreign language for us. We know image img, which is tag. This is image tag. Src is talking about the source. Okay, and there are other attribute which is not that important at this moment. But are you guys understanding it? Are you guys feeling it now? Now this stuff is very much making sense. Agree or not? Just say anyone that you guys are agree.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Some satisfaction is there or not? I mean, 1 hour worth, it's worthy, right? So here is other stuff. This is some tr, and you guys know what is tr. What is tr? Who's gonna tell me what is tr? Come on.
Table row.
Table row.
Perfect, man. Perfect. That's cool. So this table row is telling me there is some table header, which is publication information. I need to find it. Where is this publication information? Yeah, this is here. Table header, publication information. Don't think about this class. Okay, this class is deciding the design and structure, but leave it. But you guys can understand. If I am saying you, okay, close it, ignore it. If
What is class here?
Class is just some attribute. When you work on the CSS, then you need to give some style element. And how can you define style element? You just give it a name class, or sometimes you give it a name id, and inside it you define that beauty, that attribute. Okay, so it is just try to understand it. No need to remember everything for now, but yeah, now we understand something, right? Now if I'm going to ask you guys ki I need to find the entry for this cover, how can I do it? So right click, open inspect element. In some browser it is also known as inspect, in some browser it is also known as developer, dev tool, developer tool, या फिर dev tool. Okay, but generally it is inspect or inspect element. Okay, so how can I check this page? Click here, this is dotted stuff, and click on it and see, yeah, it is here, image source. This is some image source. And can I work directly on this image source? Can I copy paste this thing? Let me check. Right click, copy and paste. Nice, nice. See, I can pinpoint my stuff on this web page. Okay, as you can see now, right, I wrote here src's emma. So same thing, this is some src, this is some source. I just hit on the source file and I got what I want. This is how we can scrape bev. Okay, see, it is working. And you can read other stuff too. You can see this is some paragraph here. Okay, yeah, it is paragraph, it is exactly the paragraph. You can see paragraph start from here and ends here. So you can see this is the paragraph. If I'm going to click on the paragraph, I can see some stuff. The first Batman story, this is the content, the first Batman story. Is it clear? That's how you can break down a whole HTML structure. And even I can edit, I can add something here. Let's change the title, Batman. So you can see this is span class, some h1 title. Now you guys know what is h1. Who's gonna tell me what is h1? Come on.
Header 1.
Header 1, which is a, yeah, which is a very huge,
most bold and big.
Nice. So just change it, Batman. Amit the Batman. Yeah. Okay, so just save it. I'm gonna save it here. Okay, cancel it. I'm just enter here, and now, yeah, this is my childhood desire to be a Batman, and now it is fulfilled. Okay, but the thing, it is not permanent. As soon as I am gonna refresh it, it will revert back to Batman. Why so? Because I cannot change the Wikipedia server, which is located somewhere at a very safe location. Is it clear? Now you guys can open your Wikipedia page, anyone, and you can just change the name, or you can just do something interesting. Okay, just 2 minutes of time, play with it and ask me anything you want to ask. Just play. Okay, 2-3 minutes of time, just do it from my side. Session is very much over. There is one more thing which I want to discuss. Just play with it, take 2 or 3 minutes and tell me. If you guys have any problem, just ask. Oh,
Sir, how did you edit? Like, if I have opened the inspect section, but there is no option to edit. Like, I cannot write or type here.
There is no option for edit. Let's try to focus again. Okay, inspect element. Okay, first you need to pinpoint where you want to change, what you want to change. Okay, like I want to change this thing. Okay, let's see, change again, change this stuff. Batman is a superhero appearing in the American comics. Okay, so first click here, just use this tool, this search element tool, and pinpoint your stuff. Now I can pinpoint, okay, this is my place somewhere here, this paragraph which is little bit bold, this paragraph is little bit bolder. Click here. Now you can change, you can make change. This is Batman. Double click on it, triple click on it, and you will see this cursor, and then you can change it.
Okay, sir, now it's happening.
Yeah, nice. Cool. Okay, so yeah, just after it, press enter, and you can see your stuff here. It is a superhero appearing in the American comics book. Yeah, some cool stuff.
B tab.
What?
What is the B tag?
B means bold. You can see this word is bold here, you know, bold. Okay, play with it, guys. Abhishek Pandey, Amit the Batman. Yeah. just 2-3 minutes, take 2-3 minutes of time and just play with it. Okay, just tell me that you guys are able to do it this thing, then I will show you 2 or 3 technical stuff, and then we will close our meet. But there is something which yeah, I need to take the feedback. Okay, so remind me to take the feedback. Yeah, sir, Sarvani, Madgula Sarvani, please ask if you want to ask anything. Madgula, is there something which you want to ask, bro? You can write here if you are too shy to speak. Okay.
Maybe I think she's raised her hand to tell you that she has finished it.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Could be.
Nice. Okay, I think everyone is able to make some changes. Just write your name here. Just be a Batman, Superman, Spider-Man, or Barbie, or Wonder Woman, whatever you want.
So even can we change this image to some other image?
Yeah, you can do it. Okay, okay, my problem. No worry. Yeah, you can change it. You can
Okay.
change it. Okay. First, you need to see, since this is a whole web server stuff. So yeah, you can change. Uh, Let me try. I don't know if I'm gonna change it or not. Emma, once again, Emma Watson. Okay, no, this time something else. Christian Bale. Okay, this is looking good. No, this one. Okay. I wanna see the image only. Open images, new wave. Okay, it is here. Quite long web address. Copy. Let me try. I don't know if I will be able to do it. This is SRC. Some changes. Cancel. Oh yeah, it is done. Can you see?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Nice. So it is fun. It is actually fun. Okay, so you guys can do anything. You guys can put a photo of cat in place of Batman. I mean, this is fun. Okay.
Okay.
To be honest, I never added image on some live page before, but it is interesting. Thanks for asking questions. Okay, so I think it is enough. We study a lot of things. Okay, so now guys, I wanna show you some other stuff, some 2-3 technical thing. Please pay attention. Okay, once again, inspect element is really important thing. But if you go into the inspect element, then you can see lot of stuff here. This is element. What is element? Element is something which make your website. There is console. Console is related to JavaScript. No need to pay attention. Network. Source, leave it. Network. Network is something very important. It monitors the network, the traffic which is coming to your system, which is going from your system. Just pay attention. This is a table. Table have some time. 20 millisecond, 40 millisecond, 60 millisecond, 80, 100 millisecond. See, I am gonna move my cursor on a link, and you can see some sudden traffic at this place. Just pay attention. I am gonna move my cursor on a link, and you will see some traffic here. Pay attention. See, as soon as I move my cursor on this link, then you see some traffic. Why so? As soon as I move my cursor here, see, this is a place, city in Turkey. See, at this point, please pay attention what I want to say. Just try to understand. At this moment, my this Batman superhero page is already loaded. Done. Sure. No worry. Everything is loaded, and there is no information about this Turkey. I just bring my mouse here. That's why I have my system has no information about Turkey. This Batman city in Turkey. But as soon as I am gonna bring my mouse, my cursor on the Turkey, it will open a pop-up window which will have a very small information about Turkey. Okay? But that information is not in my system. That information is coming from Wikipedia server. So that server traffic you are gonna see here. Pay attention. I am gonna bring my mouse. There is some information coming. You can see this information 5,000 millisecond. This information come. This is a new link. Batman Turkey, and after it is shown on my screen. See, there is one more, this bottom one, Batman Turkey, and once again different Batman surname. Okay, I don't know if anyone have surname like Batman, but let's see. Batman surname. See, there is some information, there is some movement, and this is a pop-up window. Okay, so this is a place where we can monitor the traffic. And the interesting thing, on clicking on it, Batman, see, it is giving me this URL. I can see what they are bringing. I can copy this URL and I can paste this URL here, and this is how they write the URL. Okay, and I can, this is API, maybe you guys know about the API. This is API stuff. Okay, so you can see this is lot of stuff here, and let's read it. Okay, this is some total thumbnail and other stuff, lot of stuff here, original image and lot of stuff here. It is not even moving. See, lot of stuff here. So the whole stuff which is about to coming is in this API. Okay, so that's how you inspect things. This is really important, this network. Are you guys, is it make any sense? Are you guys able to understand even a bit?
It's a dictionary.
Can you repeat? Someone was asking. Okay, I was not able to hear two people speak at the same moment. Anyone? Is anything is making some sense, or this is important?
This API is a third party developed code.
API is something. API is very much like a barrier. See, the thing is, I can bring some specific stuff from the Wikipedia server. I cannot just get the whole Wikipedia server. API is the thing which can control how much information to provide. Just consider API as a waiter. Like, I went to a restaurant and I ask, like, see, I am going to McDonald's. I ask, give me a burger. So to whom I am going to ask? I am going to ask the waiter, and waiter going to go to the kitchen and bring me the burger. Okay, I cannot just go to the kitchen and steal the whole recipe. So just API is some kind of layer, some kind of protection, some kind of packet which can deliver you some stuff. Okay,
But how do we call API?
whenever you make any call, actually there is a thing which is called the get request, post request. There are a lot of stuff which you are going to study in Med 1. So you just whenever you click on a link, it calls some specific API. So that's the thing. Here I am gonna just work here. I just click this, I just find this thing, Wikipedia org API, and inside API Batman Turkey, you can read it. Okay, I just copy and I paste it. So I got lot of information. This information is generally not, you cannot get this information by this normal pages, but scanning this traffic area, you can get this stuff here. We are gonna work on it in a future web scraping session. This all stuff will be helpful. Okay, so that's how you monitor the traffic. Okay, so that's what I want to show you, and also you can check the preview here. So this is some preview and stuff. Okay, this is the thing. So this is important. Network stuff is really important. Other than there is one more thing about the cookies. Maybe you guys know about the cookies. We will discuss it in future in the tomorrow, maybe tomorrow or one day after tomorrow. Here in the application you can get the cookies. Okay, so that's how you inspect this whole element, HTML element, network, everything related to network and stuff. You can see lot of API calls are here. Lot of stuff is coming because I just completely changed the page. If I'm going to change the more page, see, more traffic is generating, quite huge traffic. Okay, so these are the calls. You can open any call, you can inspect any call here. See, this is something colorful. I don't know what is it. Just click on it. Okay, this is the image. This image is here. You can see this image in the page. Maybe it's here or maybe it's not. Yeah, it is here. Okay, so that's how you track the traffic. That's how you read all the calls. Okay, this is the written information. This is the preview. So this is stuff I suggest you to just after this session, just open your browser, play with some HTML tags, play with some website, just inspect element, try to make sense. Okay, so from my side this is enough for today. If you guys have any question, please ask. Harshal is not able to edit. Harshal, you need to 2 or 3 times click on it. Okay, then you can edit it. Click on 1 time, nothing will happen. 2 times, some blue line there. 3 times, some movement there. Then you will be able to edit. Okay, just everyone please stay for few minutes. I just submit this.
Yeah, I'm able to edit now. Yeah.
Okay, nice. Just submit this form. This is about some review, about some suggestions. You can write anything. You can write tomorrow's or yesterday's session. You can write today's session. You can write anything about the TDS. So my instructor asked me to give this form to you. Okay. If you guys have anything to ask, you can ask. From my side, this session is over.
So how do we change the color?
You can do it in CSS. With the help of CSS, you can change it. But styling is not important. If you want to explore, there was a website, na W3 School. There is topic CSS. With the help of it, you can do it.
All right.
Anyone?
What is the difference between HTML and Python?
Okay. So the thing is, you cannot calculate in HTML. Every language has its own purpose. HTML is made for writing a page. HTML is hypertext markup language. You can just write things. Okay, there is another language which is called markup, markdown, MD file. You just use it just to write something. These languages cannot do calculations. Python is a whole different language. Its purpose is not writing something. Python's purpose is to calculate and scientific purpose. Okay, so okay, don't forget to fill this form and ask me the question if anyone wanna ask any question. Anything? Anyone?
This just now which
Perumali, there is quite a lot of noise. Can you please ask again, or you can write?
so yeah, is it okay?
Yeah, it is little bit better. Yeah, ask.
Hello.
Yes, yes, yes. You are audible.
I was just asking about just now you were showing about the network and so is there any specific way we can learn more about how to inspect and in terms of the web scraping, how it can be more
If you are talking about the web scraping, then this is just an introductory class. I will take some web scraping class tomorrow and one day after tomorrow. But if you want to talk about the network, then I mean, you can search internet. This is the useful thing which I just told you, and maybe there are a lot of things which we can do. Even I don't know everything, so yeah, you need to just check the Google and YouTube stuff. There is nothing else which I can tell you about it. There is some cookie and stuff which we will discuss in tomorrow and one day after tomorrow session, you know. And maybe there are something that we just come up as we proceed. So yeah.
Yes, yeah, right.
Yeah.
We are not able to record what you are saying in that session.
I just put it on the recording, though I don't know if it is recording properly or what. Though it is showing recording, but I don't know. So,
okay, so if it is recorded, then we'll get the link tomorrow by tomorrow.
Yeah, I hope so. I hope so. And also, Amit1 is my handle on Discourse. So if you have any problem, you can just. I just try to respond every question, but still, you can tag me if you have any question, huh?
Alright, yeah.
Okay, everyone. I think then it's enough for today. Any question? Otherwise, let's close it, huh? Just don't forget to fill this form. I am closing the recording.